How to set up a driver profile with Google Built-in, Part 2. To associate your personal Google account with Google Built-in, you need to link the two accounts together. If you aren't sure if you have a Google account, it's almost certainly the account you use to watch videos on YouTube. To link the accounts, tap the driver profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap the Profiles and Account Settings. Now tap Add Account. Next, scan the QR code with your smartphone camera. Follow the instructions on your smartphone, including choosing the Google account you would like to use in your vehicle. That's it. You're now signed into your personal Google account on your CX-5. Tap Done to complete the process.